เย้เรามีสองอันนะคะโชว์อันนี้ด้วยค่ะโอ้มีลูกอันนี้ด้วยอ้าว
Not ripe.
not finished โอ้ยอันนี้มันเป็นเคเมค่ะ
No, not good.
Oh my god funny sweet corn อันนี้ that one okay and that one no good มัดโชว์เลยdon't worry it and now we have again cucumber okay yay cucumber very nice come from Alan Grove what species
I think it's a lemon cucumber, isn't it?
lemon cucumber okay try each that one or two good okay more again because for Alan very small yeah or three เลยไหม because
no,
have three
two. We'll try two.
okay two I need that one small and that one again okay enjoy thank you so much now มีก็จะ have for cut green bean because green bean already
Yellow beans, aren't they?
oh yes yellow bean yeah to eating and we have from many more มีจะ cooking show that because มัน finish already meeting okay next time มีก็จะ grove new that one green bean yellow bean beautiful good morning dad
Hello, Nan.
Oi, welcome please
Present for you.
oh thank you dad so much oh what's name present
It's on the label.
Flamingo thank you dad so much โอ้ยมี very amazing เลย my flamingo very beautiful acer love you dad and now we have for walk inside with Alan dad give for me flamingo oh sorry dad thank you dad so much really beautiful we stand here Oi, really beautiful thank you dad so much for acer Alan really like acer and today me really happy time with my flamingo oh Alan look at it acer flamingo thank you dad so much me really happy yolk of pudding, egg. Serve that first. Collection. Tin. Yeah, my friend come from Hong Kong. Me learning with she. Egg pudding.
You.
Here first. Yes, now you can move to me. And now, really nice collection. Egg pudding come from Hong Kong. Yeah.
This like we had on Sunday, is it?
Yes, please. Tin. Me
Yeah,
learning
tin.
with tin. Okay. Now for me, sir, for tablet first. For that, for Alan, and for me, beautiful collection. Flower in the garden. Yes, mint. Mid joy flower. And thank you that so much for acer. Beautiful. Enjoy that egg pudding. Main course. Me serve from fish. Beautiful on the page. And cucumber come from garden. Sweet corn come from garden. And purple potato with fish. Really nice. Now collection spring cooking. Okay, happy enjoy that. Everything come from garden, not fish. Okay, serve that first. We have ice cream with fig.
Right. Thank you.
Enjoy. Okay then. Okay. Now, really nice fig and ice cream and strawberry. Fig come from garden. The next door, cheeky for me. Happy enjoy. Hope everyone happy enjoy with family and happy all the time. Everything lucky come to your life. Today a little family say bye bye. ขอบพระคุณค่ะ